Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is June with Early Age Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. Why science education is important in early childhood education. Doing science projects provides children with opportunities to develop and practice different skills and attributes. These include communication skills, collaborative skills, team working, and problem-solving skills, helping children acquire new ways of asking questions and understanding the world. In today's video, we are going to do a fun science activity together, which is color changing Napa cabbages. With visible results, this experiment is fun and durable for children of all ages. This color-changing activity is very simple but demonstrates how plants work in a straightforward and colorful way. The materials you need are 1 Napa cabbage, a couple of clear containers, food coloring and water. Pour water into each container. Add a few drops of food coloring to each container. Use different colors in each container. Slice the cabbage from the stalk. Place at least 1 large piece of cabbage into each container and wait. This is how it looks in 8 hours. Plants like Napa cabbage have tubes in them called xylem, which allows them to pull water from the ground and move it up through their leaves. This is how plants breathe. So when you put Napa cabbage in water with food coloring, you will actually see the water's movement from the stalk up through the leaves. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you next week.